Welcome to the System Upgrade and the Earth 2.0 Blueprint. If you're here, it's probably because you can feel it. Earth version 1 is no longer serving us. The system that we were born into isn't working anymore. It runs on fear, stress, scarcity, and separation. It keeps you in survival mode, and it tells you that you're the problem. You're not broken. You're not the problem. The system is.
Earth 2.0 is the upgrade. It's a frequency and a way of living that already exists, where there's co-creation instead of competition, unity instead of division, enoughness and abundance instead of never enough, where we have regulated, grounded nervous systems instead of constant panic. Earth 2.0 is what happens when your mind, body, emotions, and spirit are actually all on the same team. This entire summit is a living blueprint for that new way of being.
I'm Pavel, and this is Ferry. We're the co-creators of Upper Aeon, the System Reset, and now the System Upgrade. We've led hundreds of thousands of people around the world through breathwork, movement, and energetic healing across 25 countries. We created this 12-month journey because we were tired of watching brilliant humans to go to events, get fired up, and then fall back into the same old loops. Whatever it's stress, anxiety, self-doubt, you don't need to live like this anymore. You don't need another weekend of motivation. You need a system-level reset. This is going to be the roadmap or the blueprint to Earth 2.0.
So what is the System Upgrade? Once a month, you'll join a full-day digital activation that features world-class speakers in biohacking, trauma healing, spiritual science, relationships, sovereignty, and more. You'll get live breathwork and our BDM method, which is the breath dance meditation, eye essence meditations, and interactive sessions, not boring lectures. You'll move, breathe, feel, take notes, and apply. We'll have conscious cooking, music, and community experiences. We designed it to please your left brain and your right brain. Your left brain gets clear frameworks, science, structure, and then your right brain gets story, emotion, ritual, and felt experience. So you're not just receiving information logically, you feel the upgrade in your body. And underneath all of this is your nervous system. If your body is stuck in fight or flight, your brain is wired for survival, not for creation. Stress hormones stay high, your prefrontal cortex, which is the part that's responsible for focus and long-term vision, goes offline, and it keeps you snapping back into the old patterns, even if you know better. When we work with breath, movement, sound, and attention, we calm the stress response. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and restore, and it opens the door for neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to rewire. This is why every activation includes nervous system reset work that you can feel immediately, not just ideas to think about later.
And we don't try to fix your life in just one weekend. Instead, we walk you through a 12-step Earth 2.0 blueprint, one area at a time. Each activation will build upon the last. Now, we've broken this down into 3 phases. First is the me, the individual consciousness. This is when we're going to look into your physical health, nutrition, diet, sleep, energy, autoimmune, all of those things to treat your body as a temple. The second part of this is the mental body, your mind. This is the directory of the software that's meant to direct the hardware, but most of us have this never-ending monkey mind. So we're gonna end this madness and make your mind work for you rather than against you. The third phase or third month is going to be the emotional body. Most people are stuck in fear, apathy, guilt, jealousy. All of these emotions are valid, but we're meant to feel happiness, joy. So we're gonna reverse this with world-leading experts. And then the fourth part of the individual consciousness is your spirit or the energetic body. We're gonna dive into the soul purpose. We're gonna also look into the 4 mystical patterns that are guiding us into our highest possible path here on Earth. That's phase 1. Phase 2 is gonna be all about the we. Once you can clean up and clear and get the handle of who you are at the core, we're going to move into conscious relationships from birth to death. How do we navigate these powerful reflections in all of our lives? The other part of this is going to be environment. How can we create a safety environment within our home, but also outside of our homes? Whatever it's air, water, soil, regenerative agricultures, we're going to figure out how to actually allow the me to thrive. Now, the last part of the we is going to be the sovereignty. How can we use self-governance, finances that are based on impact, love, and support to allow that to work for us rather than against us. That's the system. And then the third phase of our system upgrade is going to be about the B, which we like to call the supra consciousness. What is beyond the scene, the quantum realms of existence, manifestation? We're going to be bringing world-leading experts that can actually allow us to come back into that inherent, love-based systems that we are. Me, we, and be are those three phases that we're going to take you up on in this next 12 months.
And these aren't just world-class leaders. These are some of the best people that we've met on our travels from all around the world. We've been on this journey for quite some time, so we're giving you the cheat sheet, the resources, the fast track to the whole picture of what Earth 2.0 can really look like. And you can absolutely just come to one activation and you'll get a lot, but the real power is when you let these layers stack. Month by month, your nervous system, beliefs, relationships, environment, and purpose starts to come into alignment. And this is how you shift from trying to change to living in a new operating system.
On top of that, we've built this incredible school community where we're going to gather once a week for a variety of different calls, from healing group cohesion states, where we're going to use and amplify the world of quantum into our limitless potential, all the way to integration specialists that we've hired into our team to actually embody the work, not just the fluff, not just the chit chat anymore. We're also going to have a world-leading experts that will come in where you can actually ask them in real life of any questions. All of this will also be connected to a whole journey. So that way it's not just once a month you're going to get hyped like maybe before, whatever it was, retreat, workshops. We've been there. This is about a continuing embodiment where you have community to support you, where you have knowledge and exercises to rewire you, and then our summits as the prime anchor to be able to accelerate this to the greatest version ever held about who you are.
And what's cool is you're not doing this alone. By the end of this, you'll be living in that Earth 2.0 frequency, but with other people that are also in that 2.0 frequency, because we're not meant to be here alone. Otherwise, we'd be by ourselves, and we're not. We're here with you. For us, this isn't just a personal development project. It's our planetary mission. And one of our core intentions with the system upgrade is to bring at least 144,000 souls into heart-brain coherence. Humans who are regulated, awake, and aligned to help create a quantum shift in the collective field of our planet. When that many nervous systems are synchronized into love, clarity, and sovereignty, it changes what's possible for everybody.
We're on the mission to unite the world, one person at a time. If you're done with the Earth 1.0, the fear, the grind, and if you're ready to experience expert guidance, immersive practices, and real community walking into the Earth 2.0 with you, enter your name and email, claim your free pass, and join us for the first activation.
Come for 1 month if that's all you can do, but know that this is a living blueprint designed to walk you step by step into a new reality and into a global field of coherence that's big enough to shift consciousness on Earth. We've been where you are. We've walked this path ourselves, and we'd be honored to walk it with you. We'll see you inside the system upgrade.